The TrayTec packaging machine is ideal for perfectly wrapping both light and heavy products such as gearboxes, pumps, motors, gear wheels, drives and all types of electronic components. TrayTec can handle various products in small or large runs. The different tray sizes are automatically detected to ensure that the correct wrapping program is used. Large variations in product height and weights of up to 150 kilograms do not present any problems. In the automatic in-feed, the tray and packaging piece are vertically wrapped with a special stretch film. The simple wrapping technique eliminates the need for any thermal processing. Emba-TrayTec permits a high degree of packaging rationalization with constant packaging speeds. This allows the range of packaging sizes to be considerably reduced. The packing piece is firmly secured onto the corrugated cardboard tray, making secure shipping possible. This offers optimum protection of the product and eliminates the need for any further filling materials. The compact TrayTec machine is space-saving and can be easily integrated into existing packaging lines. Therefore, fully automatic packaging lines present no problems. All tray sizes are pre-programmed in the factory to ensure easy operation. The various wrapping programs can be quickly and conveniently selected via the easy-to-use display so that virtually no make-ready time is necessary. Only a few easy-to-learn steps are required for changing the film material. The automatic TrayTec wrapping machine offers a convenient packaging solution for a large range of different packaging sizes and weights, and stands out for its robust components, maximum safety, quiet operation, and high degree of automation.